Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to join a group on Facebook without anyone knowing. As you can see, here is total 2 group I have opened in my browser. Open your group, then click on about, then you will see public. If this group is public and visible, anyone can find this group, then you can directly join this group without anyone knowing by clicking on this join group. Here we can see join this group without knowing anyone. Make sure the group is public and visibility is anyone can find this group. And if I go to my another group, and here is in this about section, and here we can see this group is private. If the group privacy set as private, then if we click on this join group, and here we can see a request has been sent it to the group owner. So if you trying to join a group whose group privacy is private, you can't join this directly without knowing anyone. And if you are in a public group, then you don't have to need any permission to join public group. Simply click on join, then you will be join the group. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you.